Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. In our previous video we discussed about relative velocity. If you want to check out my video, I have given the link in the description box. Please go through it. So based on the concept, 5 example problems are given. First one, suppose two cars A and B are moving with uniform velocities. What is uniform velocities? Object covers equal distance in an equal interval of time. That is uniform velocity. With respect to ground along parallel tracks and in the same direction like this. So both the cars travel in the same direction. Both are parallel to each other. Let the velocity of A and B be 35 km per hour due east. This is our car A. Velocity is 35 km per hour. It travels in the east direction. This is our car B. Travels with the velocity 40 km per hour in the east direction. Both the cars travel in the east direction. What is the relative velocity of car B with respect to A? The relative velocity of B with respect to A is equal to VBA, that is equal to VB minus VA. What is VB? VB is 40 minus VA is 35. Your answer is 5 km per hour or kilometer hour minus 1. Relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to VAB. Formula is VA minus VB. VA 35, VB 40. Your answer is minus 5 km hour minus 1. You know that here we are calculating only the magnitude, but we got the answer as negative. So this negative sign indicates the car moves in the opposite direction. So what is your conclusion here? To a passenger in a car A, the car B will appear to move 5 km per hour in the east direction. That is, to a passenger in the car. For this passenger, the car B will appear to move 5 km in the east direction. To a passenger in car B, so this is our car B. For this person, the car will appear to move 5 km per hour in the west direction. Why I am saying west direction? Because we got the answer as minus 5 km per hour. So here minus sign indicates negative direction. So here this east is in the positive direction. So opposite direction means west direction. That is why I have written west direction, which means the car appears to come backwards for this person in the car B. Next problem, suppose two trains A and B moving with uniform velocity along parallel tracks but in opposite direction. Parallel tracks but in opposite direction. Let the velocity of train A be 40 km per hour due east. This direction is east direction, and that of train B be 40 km per hour due west. So this is west direction. Calculate the relative velocities of train. You know the formula. The relative velocity of A with respect to B can be written as VAB. The general formula is VA minus VB. Right? Here VB is in the opposite direction because this line is in the east direction, this line is in the west direction. So instead of VB you can write minus VB. So substitute here VA minus of minus VB, that is equal to VA plus VB. You know that VA is 40 km per hour plus VB 40 km per hour. The total one is 80 km per hour. Either kilometer per hour or kilometer hour minus 1. So, to a passenger in train B, the train will appear to move in the east direction. Why I am saying east direction? Because we got the answer as a positive sign. Similarly, the relative velocity of B with respect to A is equal to VBA. What is the formula? VB minus VA. Instead of VB, substitute minus VB. So, minus VB minus VA. Take minus outside, that is VB plus VA. What is VB? 40 km per hour plus VA 40. So, total answer is minus 80 km per hour. So, here the negative indicates opposite direction. So, this train B moves in the opposite direction. To a passenger in a train A, the train B will appear to move in the west direction. Example 2.28. Consider two trains A and B moving along parallel tracks with the same velocity in same direction. Let the velocity of each train be 50 km hour minus 1 due east. Calculate the relative velocity of the trains. Both the trains A and B move with the velocity 50 km per hour in the east direction. Here both the train move in the same direction with the same speed. So, relative velocity of B with respect to A can be written as VBA, that is equal to VB minus VA. This is the general formula. Here VB, both the velocities are same. So, 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. Similarly, relative velocity of A with respect to B can be written as VAB. Formula VA minus VB. Here also velocities are same. So, 50 minus 50 equal to 0 km hour minus 1. Therefore, each train will appear to be at rest with respect to each other, which means the train appears to be at stationary position. Rest means stationary position. Example 2.29. How long will a boy sitting near the window of a train traveling at 36 km per hour see a train passing by in the opposite direction with the speed of 18 km per hour? The length of the slow moving train is 90 meter. So, what is given? The length of the train is given 90 meter, and you know that the fast moving train has the velocity 36 km per hour. Slow moving train has the velocity 18 km per hour. So, fast moving train you can take it as VA. Slow moving train you can take it as VB. Next we are going to calculate the relative velocity of one object with respect to another. That is the relative velocity of slow moving train with respect to boy is VAB. You know the general formula VA minus VB. Here this is my VB. This VB is in the opposite direction. So, instead of VB you can substitute minus VB. So, VAB is equal to VA minus of minus VB. Why did I put minus sign here? Because VB is in the opposite direction. So, VA minus VB, that is VA plus VB. What is VA's velocity? 36 km per hour plus VB 18 km per hour. So, your answer is 54 km per hour. So, velocity V is equal to 54 km hour minus 1. We want only SI unit. So, just convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. 1 hour has 60 minutes and 60 seconds. I hope you know that. So, convert this velocity 54 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60 into 60 meter second minus 1. This is the unit. 50 meters second minus 1. So V is 50 meters second minus 1. I just converted kmh minus 1 into ms minus 1. So your answer, velocity V is equal to 50 meters second minus 1. Our aim is to find the time. So you know the formula, velocity V is equal to x by t, that is distance divided by time. We are going to calculate only time, so t is equal to x by v. What is x value? 90 divided by v is 15. So cancel this 3, then 1, 8, then 6. So t is equal to 6 seconds. So this is our answer. Therefore, time taken to watch full train is equal to 6 seconds. Up to this clear? Next problem. A swimmer's speed in the direction of flow of a river is 12 km per hour. Against the direction of flow of the river, the swimmer's speed is 6 km per hour. Calculate the swimmer's speed in still water and the velocity of river flow. Swimmer's velocity Vs, the velocity of river is Vr. So what is given? Swimmer's speed in the direction of flow of river is 12 km per hour. That is, swimmer's speed plus river speed is equal to 12 km per hour. Why did I add these two velocities? Because swimmer's speed in the direction of flow of a river. So swimmer's, you should add both the velocities, that is equal to 12 km per hour. Against the direction of flow of the river, the swimmer's speed is 6 km per hour. Here, against the flow, so you have to subtract both the velocities. Vs minus Vr is equal to 6 km per hour. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So cancel this. Just add these two velocities. 2 Vs is equal to 18 km per hour. So what is our Vs? Vs equal to 9 km per hour. Substitute Vs in equation 2. So Vs minus Vr is equal to 6. So Vs is 9 minus Vr is equal to 6. 9 minus 6 equal to Vr. So Vr is equal to 3 km per hour. We found out swimmer's velocity and river velocity. So what is the conclusion? When the river flow and the swimmer move in the same direction, so the net velocity of the swimmer is 12 km per hour. How do you get 12 km? You know the swimmer velocity, that is 9. Velocity of the river you know 3. So just add these two, you can get the net velocity as 12 km per hour. Up to this clear? I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.